Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1 and I will show you how we can rename this device. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down to device preferences, and right now we have to go for about. Then pick device name. We can change. Here you get the few custom names, but I'm going to input my own. To confirm, you have to go right here and click OK. As you can see, the name of our TV has changed. So after that you can go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.